Good morning, friends. Today I am going to tell you how to select stock for intraday trading or especially trading in morning hours after opening the Indian market. In my previous video, I just told you about how to check Nifty trend for the morning hours. So if you didn't watch that video, first I suggest you just check that video so that you have some idea about the trend of the Indian market after opening. So I have just checked the pre-opening session. In the pre-opening session, Nifty positively opened and some of the global market also in positive state. So I just make up my mind that I have to trade in the positive direction and I have to select stocks for the buying. So as the Indian market open, you just to check the top gainer of the Nifty. Here you can check the top gainer of the Nifty: Reliance, Axis Bank, Tata Power, Asian Paints, HCL Tech. I just select the Reliance, which is the top gainer of the Nifty. So you need to check the chart. You need to track the chart of the stock which is in top gainer list so that you can get a proper buy signal or sell signal, and you can also check the stop loss. So you can check the chart of the particular stock. You just need to go the Google Finance. Here Google Finance, you just type the lines stock name and the chart will open in the bottom. You check the chart of the lines, it is constantly go up, or you can say it in the 45 degree directions. So this is the stock. You can enter here at 9:22 and go and make a position and constantly check the stock direction and move your stop loss in the upper direction. Or if you have an account of some brokerage firm like Zerodha or any other, you can also add script lines here and check the buy signal. Here you can check the Reliance stock constantly going up, or you can get a maximum number of profit by keeping stop loss upward direction. And the Reliance future stock quantity is 50, the lot size is 50, so you can calculate the profit and exit at your proper positions when the direction is negative or it break the super trend level. In the morning hours, dear friend, I also check two stocks. One is Asian Paints, another one is Infratel, which is not in the list. So I just added these two script also, Infratel and Asian Paints. You can also check Infratel chart. In the morning, it is also constantly going up, and you can also enter here or exit here. The lot size of the Infratel is 1400, so you can calculate how much profit you want to earn. At you can enter at 358 and exit at 362 level, and you can also maintain your stop loss when the stock reverse, so you can exit here, but you can get maximum number of profit. Dear friend, it is 100% profitable strategy. You can check the top gainer list from the NSE India site.com. Open the chart, either Google Finance or if you have account in Zerodha, and track the chart. If chart is breakout at some level, you can enter proper here, keep stop loss properly and maintain stop loss and exit at proper position, and you can earn at most 5 to 10,000 profit by following this strategy. And friends, this is my video related to stock selection for the intraday trading or morning hour trading. So if you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. And I will upload some next more videos related with trade technicals, indicators like super trend, which I am using in my Zerodha account. And friends, if you don't have Zerodha account, you can open the Zerodha account with my referral ID so that you can get some stock tips or some more educational technical information about the charts by with my referral ID. Or if you have any doubts or comments, just comment me, or you can also mail me on my email ID. Thank you friends, thank you very much.